Hi guys, so new spot. I'm here at the Kintulammi nature reserve area. Just got here. It's frisky morning, kind of like pre-wintery feel here. And there's my car, the gray one with not so frosty on top of it. And yeah, so first time here, pretty excited. So this is what I'm gonna deal with today. So as I said, it's a nature reserve area. You can see it on the map. It's pretty new. The total area has been only from 2017 active. So the area on the dark green is the first area, and then the expansion is the light green area. So here we go. Looks pretty cool already with the frost on the trees. The ground is pretty melted though. Wasn't slippery driving here. As the parking lot was pretty empty, I assume there's not too many people on the trail today, so these times it's only for the better. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but this area is just magical right now. Like the way that the frost brings out the shapes and the landscape. It's just mesmerizing. Oh my god. Just super pretty. Jesus. I'm so excited. Just gotta say, I picked the perfect day for this hike. It's like super pretty here. You can see the little lake there, and just seeing the frost melt around here is just so amazing. Jesus. That's the way I came from. Here's the shed for wood signed over there. And such a cute fireplace by the lake. Oh my god. Okay, so I've been doing the new route on the blue all the way up there, and then I'm gonna head on to the actual nature reserve area right now. having a longer break at that beautiful landscape with the little lake on the bottom, but there was a lot of, like, a big group of people came to the same spot at the same time, so just ate my banana and keep on going because social distancing. But yeah, let's see how the next spot is gonna look like. Keep on going. Here's the roughly translated church stone, because they've had some gatherings here by the benches. Gotta say, that is pretty majestic. No luck there. Was taking 2. Apparently there was even more people going there, so keep on going. So now I came to the option number 2 for parking, and as you can tell, here I'm not alone. Here's the same kind of map that was at the other parking lot as well. They had even the maps on the thing right there, so something to look at. Kintulammi hut, and there was nobody here, so I decided to have my break here. There's a cool hut over there that I got the firewood from. There's the they have even a toilet here, dry toilet. Just got the fire going, and now I'm gonna have some lunch in this beautiful view. Okay, so for lunch I have this curry nor rice pod, as I didn't find any camp meal in the supermarket I went to. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of dried fennel chanterelle that I've been crazy picking lately. And then I have some chicken, pre-cooked chicken to add on the pot. Yummy. wanted to go for a little more, so I didn't want to return to the car already, so came to the older part of the reserve area, and this really pretty, a lot of fallen trees, and you can tell that it's pretty old forest, which is in my opinion the best kind. And the path is going that way a little bit more, and then I'm gonna be at the same area that I've gone through already, and then I'm gonna take another road to the actual way that I was coming from, so not too much to go. There's still daylight going on, so I would love to go for a little more. Let's see how the rest of the walk is gonna go. Basically almost back to the car. Just wanted to have a quick sum up. So I'm basically back to where I went to the new road. Here is the sign, and it's, as you can see, it's backwards, but if you ever come to this area, I would highly recommend for you to check that new road. There's the sign for the directions at the area, and most of the way is marked with these kind of like black and yellow signs. There were some of them were dropped, but basically you won't get lost there. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and see you soon again. Okay, so I may have misspoken a little. So here's the actual hut. You can see it over there. And here's a sauna, I think, because it's by the lake. And over there, the other side of the lake is the place, or the fireplace that I had lunch at. So as I assume, this is open for rental. If you want to have some kind of gathering in the middle of basically nowhere, but near Tampere. I won't risk getting closer to that place because I don't know if there's somebody right at this moment or not. It seems pretty lovely. Okay, so back at the parking lot. A few more cars than when I left. And here's the map again. So I left from here. Then I went over here. Here I saw the first lake. Then I went for this new route. Goes all the way to this lake. There was the beautiful hut or the fireplace. Then I walked around that, went all the way here. This was the really pretty place with the high dropping to the lake, which was that small. And I went here, all the way here. After this loop, as I wanted to go around the area, when I went from here to here, and I ate there. Then I went back to see this area, went right across it, then back to the church stone, and from there I went to the edges and went back to the small lake over there by the cliff. Then I walked all the way back, turned from here, went from there down all the way, over here, yeah, then over here, and I went to see the hut, and back to where I came from.